Hey there, how's it going? My name is David and you're watching Kyosho RC. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick unboxing. I picked up the new Kyosho Dirt Master. It was released in Japan yesterday, arrived today, and I figured I'd just do a quick unboxing because I know a lot of people might be interested to see what you actually get in the box. Now, if you're not familiar with this kit, I personally believe this is Kyosho's answer to G-Force's Genova. In Japan at least, the Genova has proven to be quite a popular buggy, and I think a lot of manufacturers are taking note. And so we've got the Dirt Master from Kyosho, which is a similar design concept. It's a modern day chassis with kind of vintage retro styling. In fact, Kyosho called it their neo-retro design. And then I think Yokomo are planning to do something similar. Next month they are going to release their rookie off-road buggy. While it's not vintagely styled or retro styled, it is basically a budget version of their YZ2 high-end buggy. And the three of these together, they're all within 1,000 yen of each other for MSRP. So they're all kind of priced the same, two-wheel drive buggies, budget orientated. They're all aimed at, I suppose, beginner to intermediate racers, people who perhaps can't afford or don't really want to go all the way to high end, but they want something a little better than, for example, a DTO3. These make excellent starting points because you do have, although they're mostly plastic, you do get a lot of adjustability. Things like slipper clutch are included. Okay, so I'm not going to waffle on anymore. I'm just going to dive in and show you what you get. So, much like the G-Force Genova, everything is just thrown into a small box. A few bits and pieces of English on this side, Japanese on the other side. So when we get into the box, we have the Kyosho instruction manual. If you've built any of the Legendary series, you'll be very familiar with their manuals. If you haven't built a Kyosho before, the manuals are slightly different to Tamiya's, but they're easy to follow. You'll have no problems putting one of these together. In no particular order, what we got: wheels, basically standard dish design. We have tires. They seem to be very soft. I'm not sure how well they're going to do on an indoor carpet circuit. I do plan to run this at Kyosho RC Park at some point, but they seem to be pretty soft. I mean, obviously they're designed to be run on dirt. What else we got? Tire inserts, foams. We've got different bags. They seem to be numbered. This is SB1. And here we have a plastic motor guard, and a few suspension parts, suspension arms, bumpers, a few other bits and pieces in here. This is SB2. We have turnbuckles, front uprights, front shock tower, bearings. The kit includes full bearings. This is SB4. This has the rear hubs, drive shafts. No universals. It does have drive shafts though. Bearings, some screws. The kit is full hex screw. SB5, we have the dampers. They are plastic, but they are adjustable. SB3, we have the gearbox cases. Looks to be rear suspension mount. A few other bits and pieces. Diff, it does include a gear diff, and we've got spur and slipper clutch in SB3. And SB6 has the battery retainer and rear gearbox cover, plus a few odds and ends that I would imagine you use on the body. We have a wing, the plastic and polycarbonate seems to be. It's certainly thicker than the stuff that Tamiya used for their TTO2B or DTO2, but it's not as thick as what Yokomo used in their YZ2. Body, likewise. Actually, it feels pretty thick. certainly thicker polycarbonate than Tamiya's budget kits anyway. And then lastly we have the main chassis, which is, yeah, it feels to be reinforced plastic. Yes, it's much the same as the Yokomo or the G-Force Genova. It's rigid, reinforced plastic, very high quality, and I imagine all of the plastic in here is very high quality. So there you go, that's what you get inside the Dirt Master Ultima SB Dirt Master kit from Kyosho. I'm going to make a start on putting this together. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.